For investors in the stock market, the result season is a kind of an examination hour. It's a time when we assess how our choices in the past have been, whether the companies that we bet upon, the sectors that are our favorites, continue to do well. It is a vote on our optimism from the past. It is also our time to vote on where we need to be optimistic in the future. This result season is a very interesting one. We entered it on a note of extreme divergence. On one hand, we were very bullish on big companies, those that moved the index. The top 5 companies which have been helping the index soar to new highs are a part of this club. These companies have hardly exceeded our expectations. In that sense, everything that was to come was already priced in. The other companies where we had pessimism were from the small cap, mid cap and micro cap spaces. Now these companies were already battered and were entering the result season on a note of fear. As the season draws to a close, it appears that some of them have done extremely well. They have lived up to their expectations and the fears are naturally likely to recede in them. But in a majority of companies where our judgments have been wrong, we are again going to head into a phase of prolonged pain. As this result season draws to a close, what should we be doing? This is again a difficult but a question that is not avoidable. We still see the Sensex and the Nifty near all-time highs. We don't find shares outside of them also at valuations which will be attractive. Yet we have a lot of money to be deployed. To me, there is only one choice and it is a difficult one. If you're a stock investor, it should be bottom up and extremely stock specific. You need to be quite sharp on what you pay. Effectively, if you overpay, you are only going to accept lower returns. I think that this principle should be carried into your investing going forward because you are going to see your options increase. We have seen a lot of concentration happen in the year FY18, but I believe that as the next 2 quarters happen, you will find more companies coming on your radar which are investment worthy and more choices. Essentially, we will be having more options. One should prepare for that and do our homework and space out our investing and not be concentrated as it has been in the first part of this year. Dynamic and prospective investing is what will win the day for you. Doing what everyone else does is not going to work. One should understand these aspects and orient one's investing to win in the coming years. Thank you.